What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another video. Today is just gonna be a short introduction to a new build that I have going on. I'm super excited for this build. I've had this idea in my head for a long time and it's finally coming down to where I can start executing it. If you guys are new to this channel, I am Cameron Blois. As you can tell, you've landed on this beautiful video here. I currently have a 2001 Subaru Forester build going on. It's an off-roading camping vehicle. I have a 2017 Nissan 370 that is my street princess summer car. It is currently parked. Pretty sad about that, actually. Anyways, but yeah, I'm coming to introduce a new build that it's going to be for the Subaru, and yeah, it's a completely different build, as you can tell by this title. It is I'm going to be custom making a DIY teardrop trailer from scratch. Yes, from scratch. And I'm going to show you guys the base. I don't know, you may have seen this from previous videos, may have seen it in the videos, may have not, I'm not sure. But this is what I'm starting with right now. I'm so excited. I've had this, I'll just show you guys. This is what I'm starting with. I know there's pallets on it, but it's just a frame trailer. It's just a frame right now. I've spent the last maybe month cleaning it up, painting it. I'm gonna start with rewiring it because the lights on it when I first bought it wasn't working. And so yeah, I'm gonna rewire it and then we can start building the base on it. I actually have full plans. Right here, I'll show you guys. I actually have full plans for this build and I can't take credit for any of it because I found it online. I'm gonna link it down in the description below. It is 100% blueprints, a SketchUp file, everything you can think of right now. This is what the finished product's gonna look like. I don't know. Finished product's gonna look like. I'm gonna do I'll go on Google Sketch, I'll do a screen record right now and we'll go around everything right here. So yeah, that is what it's gonna look like. Like I said, I have a full build list. It has everything you need to know about it, every single dimension, and it also comes with a full parts list. Everything you need to build this thing, from the gloves on your hands to the nails it uses, like clips, tools, pieces of wood, batteries, everything. So yeah, that's the dusty. So yeah, that's the new build that I'm gonna introduce to this channel. This is gonna be a quick update, and I'm so excited to get this started. I'm gonna record everything. You guys are gonna be here for the process. Now, this isn't gonna be a very quick build. This isn't gonna happen in a month. This is gonna happen over maybe 2 or 3 months. I do have our first camping trip planned for June or May. And yeah, it's gotta be done for then. So yeah, the idea is I want a full kitchen in the back. I mean, it's not gonna be plumbed with propane or anything, but it's gonna be a sink and a pull-out fridge with maybe a countertop stove. And like you saw in the pictures in the video, it opens up. So that's gonna be on the back. I think it's a queen size bed that fits on the platform with shelving on the inside. I wanna have full lights on the inside. But yeah, I want the roof of it to be fully solar panels. So that way we can keep it charged if we need to charge devices or whatever. If we go off the grid, we have power to charge whatever we need. And yeah, the front's gonna have a little cargo box here. And yeah, I'm like I said, I'm super stoked for this. And yeah, so that is gonna be it for today's video. If you guys wanna follow along on this build, make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and like this video. It truly helps me out a lot. And I'm not sure what color I wanna go with this. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it just a wood, or I'm gonna stain it, or if I'm gonna paint it. But I would like to hear from you in the comments down below. Comment what color you think I should do this. I'm hoping to get wheels that will match my Subaru wheels. And I might just paint it black to match the Subaru, but I'm not too sure yet. So yeah, comment down below what color you think we should do it. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. And remember, be authentic.
Keep dancing with the devil, but it is a lullaby.